Today's all about solving systems of equations, linear systems of equations, and that's a fancy name for when we have multiple equations, we've got to solve for x and y. And I need to drag this tool over there so it'll record when I'm doing it. Okay, so some of these we're going to look, and they've already been graphed for us, yes? And the x and y that works for both of these is where they cross, all right? So if I look at this one crosses, we'll just go with pink, I guess, right here, doesn't it? What point is that? 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 3. We can do the x first, so 1, 2, 3. So it is 3, negative 2. How many solutions is that? One solution. Yep, we had one answer. Now look, they've graphed both of these lines here, and look, they're the same exact line, right? They're the same exact line. So how many points do they have in common? They have all of the points in common. Yeah. So that means, let me scroll down here. That means, wait, so for the it has, hold on for just a second. That means it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Go ahead and ask me.
Are we going to be like plotting them, or are we just going to?
You will be graphing some of them. This is just one type of problem. Okay, now when both of these are graphed, this line and this line, look, we've got two lines. Are they ever going to cross? They're never going to cross, so how many points do they have in common? They can't cross, they don't have any points in common, so that's what makes this a
No solution.
no solution. Yep, okay, so it makes that a no solution. Let's see here. So that's one type of problem. You're asking me, are they all going to be like that? Absolutely not. Because this one, what do we have to do? This one, we have to graph it, right? So that's why we've been practicing. We're okay. We're good at it. I'm going to grab my line tool over here. This first line, where does it say to go?
-3.
So I'm going to move it down 3. And then I'm going to do my slope, which is what?
2.
Up 2 over 1?
Yep.
So up 2 over 1?
Yep.
Okay, there's line 1. Now we've got to graph line 2.
3.
So we start at
3.
3.
Down 1, right 1.
Down 1, right 1. Okay, I've graphed my lines. Where do they cross?
I'm confused about the last line. Yeah.
Okay?
Down 1, right 1.
Because our
remember,
slope,
negative is down, negative is right, and
then
x is just
X is, we got it?
1, right 1, or down 1.
Okay, so now we're looking for where we cross. Remember, you do your x first,
2,
and then your y. So our answer is,
Oh, that was so easy.
2, 1.
Oh, I love this.
I know, this is lovely. As long as we can graph the line.
I was going to be like this one when I was going on Aleks.
Ah, so you, okay. Let's show you the other types of problems that we're going to have.
Yes.
Here, 3. Come on, 3. Oh,
You're going to click that.
okay, I don't want to. Similar, right? I'm going to skip this. It's graphing the line, see where they cross.
Wait.
I'm waiting.
What are you skipping?
Graphing 2 lines and seeing where they're crossing, just like we did last time.
last problem.
Just like
Okay,
last
I thought you were
problem.
going to skip the whole problem. I was going to say, but how do we do the 1/4?
Rise over run. Up 1
over
over 4.
Oh, okay.
You remember that. You remember that. 4. Okay.
It's the same thing.
Graph the systems below and write a solution. It's the same thing. Now, what about this first equation right here? You guys, we haven't spent a lot of time reminding you, so I do want to remind you on that one. To graph that one, get the y alone. Move the x to the other side, and then divide by what? 4. So I'm going to have 4y equals x plus 4. What do I need to get the y along? Divide by 4. So I guess I need to know though, y equals, what is this?
1/4.
1/4 x, right? Because it's 1x.
So up one.
So 1/4 x plus 1. Okay, so same thing. Oh, I got a 1/4 x plus 1, and I got a 1/4 x plus 1 right here. What's going to happen?
Exact same.
They're the exact same line?
Wait,
So
so
what is
infinitely, yeah, infinitely.
Infinitely many. Awesome.
Wait, Miss, again with that 1/4 thing, rise over one, run, would we be going up 1/4?
Yep.
Or-
Yeah. 1/4.
Okay.
Yep. You're right. Absolutely right. 5. This is where it's going to have us use the graphing calculator. So I needed to show you how to do this. Okay. Grab your calculator over here.
Oh, like,
And shoot. I wish I could move this over. I'm gonna have to use my mouse. Let's see. I'm not gonna be able to type what I want to type. Okay, we're gonna go to y equals. You have 2 equations right here. Jerry, can you turn that off, please? Thank you. I have negative 9x minus 5. I'm gonna need my keyboard. I wish they had an X on that calculator. Do they? I can't ever find
no, we
it.
only have, multiply.
Okay, and then another one is negative 2x plus 1.
Wait, what if the XTON?
XTON.
No.
Wait.
Down, over, other way.
Oh, that probably is X. That is it. That is
Wait.
definitely it.
Try it. Are you just typing in those 2 things?
There it is.
Got it.
But now I've got to undo that one. Backspace. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, I'm going to hit graph. You see the 2 lines there?
Yeah. Oh, and then you just plot the points.
So I don't think it goes through a pretty spot. In fact, look, it says right there, round to the nearest hundredth. So we're going to make the calculator tell us how to do this. This is how we do it. We're looking for where they intersect. That's a fancy name for cross, right? So I hit intersect, and what it wants to know, am I pointing to the first curve? Yes. Let's see, what have we got here? Oh, there we go. How come I can't move you?
So that would be
Okay.
1900?
So our x value is negative 0.86. Our y value is 2.71. How friendly was that? Intersect, and you tell it to find it. You want to do another one?
Yes, please. Yeah, those are.
I know.
Are there a lot
of
we have that
1, 2,
same
3, 4, 5.
calculator?
Yes, yeah, that's why I'm showing you. 10, 11.
So there's only like those 3 kind of.
All right, so it says use the Aleks calculator. There it is. All right, we're going to go to y equals. I've got what, 10x minus 6? 10x minus 6. My other equation is x minus 2. What are we going to do? Graph it. There it is. Then we want it to tell us where it intersects. I'm just going to drag that over there, so I don't know why it does that.
So there's no like space and not included?
Mm-mm. And then it tells us where they cross, right there.
Oh, nice.
Little teeny tiny blue in that box, but there's
And
the
then-
same values down there if that's easier for you to read.
So
on
we
your screen.
For the points to put, what do we, what do we put in the box?
Round to the nearest
100.
hundredth. So our x value is 0.44. Our y value is negative 1.56.
No,
Oh,
yeah, 5.
5 rounds up. Yep. 5 rounds up. On these, You need to solve for y before you can type them in your calculator. So I know, how rude, huh? But that's it.